Assignments are one of the most common assessment tools used in Blackboard Ultra. Creating an assignment is a straightforward process, and setting point values ensures that students' submissions are connected to the gradebook. In this video, we'll focus on creating an assignment and adding points so it is ready for student use. Let's get started. We have our modules all set up in the course. So in this example, I'm going to set up an assignment in module 2 of my course. So I'm going to go in my module, I'll click this drop down arrow here, and you'll see if I hover over these gray lines, it turns purple, giving me the ability to add an item. I am going to add an assignment right here under my readings and materials folder. So I'm going to hover over this gray line, it'll turn purple, and I'll click the plus sign and say create. Then it's going to give me an option of what kind of assessment I want. I'm going to click assignment, and here it's going to give me the ability to create my assignment. So for this assignment, I am going to give it a title. So I will call this assignment 2, course topic analysis. Then in the instructions area, this is where I'm going to type in the instructions for my assignment. I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in my assignment, or I can paste it in. So you will see that my assignment directions or instructions are here. And I'm going to add a little bit of formatting so it's a little bit more visually appealing. As my title, I'm going to set these as headers just so that it's accessible. Once I'm done adding the instructions, I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to assign or edit the assignment settings. So if I want to set a due date, I will select the due date, let's say Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Then I'm going to select the options, and this is totally up to the instructor. So I'm going to set mine as prohibit late submissions, give them the options to upload a file, and I'm going to give them 1 attempt. Grade, I'm going to set this at 100 points. And these are other options right here, or settings that's up to the instructor to assign. I can assign a time limit, I can assign grading rubric, but for now I'll leave this all blank. And once I'm done, I will hit save. And my assignment has been created. And to make this assignment available, I will select visible to students. By default, Blackboard always sets the visibility status of any created items to hidden, so we'll make sure ours are visible. And if I go back to my module area, I will see that the assignment has been created. Now let's take a look at what it looks like from the student's perspective. I'm going to click on Student Preview. And now you'll see I am currently in Student Preview mode. And I'll go to my module 2 and click on the assignment. And there it is. This is what the student will see. So now when they click on View Instructions, the assignment instructions will pop up, and they can either type in the submission or upload a file over here and hit submit. So that is how you create and deploy an assignment in your Blackboard Ultra course.